Hey guys, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna make some cute faux chalk boards with black paper, but you could do this technique on a real blackboard or any other dark surface. It's a liquid erasable white chalking. And if you don't like it, you just wash it off. But let's just get started with this project and see what we come up with. So I'm gonna use my white erasable chalk ink, and you could use just a white ink. I kind of like the way it kind of lightens up, so it looks like it's chalk on here. And this is just a black placemat that I've got. So, but you could put it on a real chalkboard or on anything else dark that you have. And I wanted to do something fun for fall, so I am using my frond stamp that are leaves, but you could use any type of fall designs. And then I'm gonna add a bird to the top, but come up with your own ideas. I'm gonna use these leaves now, and I'm using a brayer on this. If I just wanna blob this on and squish it onto my stamp pad, it seems like it gets stuck and you can get little blobs on your chalkboard or on your paper. So this just seems to give me a little more even, full coverage. And I am just going to layer leaves all over this piece. So it takes a minute to dry. So I am just gonna start on the other end. Gonna mask him off, and all I did is cut out a shape of paper of the actual stamp so that when I stamp over, it looks like it's behind it without messing up the original image. Okay guys, we're all done with this. You can see some other ones I've done. Just very simple. You could make it as ornate or as simple as you'd like, but I love using that white liquid erasable chalk ink. It's just really nice. And even on this paper, if you've done a spot, you take a baby wipe, you can actually wipe it off real carefully and re-ink again when it's dry. So here's just some other ideas on black paper or on a chalkboard or something fun for fall, but whatever you do, have fun.